Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can use Google Gemini for text to image generator. So how we can get it? First go to search bar and here search for Google Gemini. Then just go to first link, click on this. And this is our Google Gemini image generator tool, and this is completely free and it's currently beta version. So now I'm gonna enter image prompt. And this is my image prompt, and now click enter. Now Google Gemini generating the image. So here you go. So here you can see Google Gemini perfectly working. And now if I generate another image, let's see. Wow, nice. So if you want to get more image, then click on generate more, and this will generate other image. Okay, Google Gemini will update more in future. And this is how you can generate image using Google Gemini. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.